Welcome back to Smart Dollar Mindset, the channel dedicated to helping you achieve financial freedom through smart money habits and investing. If you've ever wondered how to grow your wealth without worrying about taxes eating into your returns, then today's video is for you. We're breaking down one of the most powerful tools for building long-term wealth in America, the Roth IRA. This video isn't just going to explain what a Roth IRA is. We'll cover why it matters, how it works, how to use it step by step, and strategies to maximize its tax-free growth. Along the way, we'll bring in real-life examples and practical scenarios so you can see how the Roth IRA can completely change your financial future. By the end, you'll have a full understanding of why the Roth IRA is often called the secret weapon of retirement planning and how you can use it to build real wealth. What is a Roth IRA? At its core, a Roth IRA is a retirement account that allows your money to grow tax-free. You contribute money that you've already paid taxes on, it grows inside the account, and when you withdraw in retirement, you don't pay taxes on the growth or the withdrawals if you follow the rules. That's right, your investments compound for decades, and Uncle Sam doesn't touch the gains. Example, imagine you put $6,000 into a Roth IRA at age 25, invested in an index fund. By age 65, with an average 8% return, that single contribution could grow to nearly $100,000. And you get to withdraw every dollar, tax-free. That's the magic of the Roth IRA. How the Roth IRA differs from a traditional IRA. Let's compare Roth and traditional IRAs. Traditional IRA, you contribute pre-tax money, lowering your taxable income today. But when you withdraw in retirement, you pay taxes on both contributions and gains. Roth IRA, you contribute after-tax money, meaning you don't get a tax break today. But withdrawals in retirement are completely tax-free. It comes down to this: do you want a tax break now, or do you want tax-free money later? For most people, especially younger investors, the Roth IRA is the smarter choice because you're likely in a lower tax bracket today than you will be in the future. Step 1. Understand the eligibility rules. Not everyone can contribute directly to a Roth IRA. There are income limits. For 2025, if you're single and earn under roughly $161,000, you can contribute the full amount. If you're married filing jointly, the limit is higher, around $240,000. Beyond that, your ability to contribute phases out. But even if you make too much, there are legal workarounds, like the backdoor Roth IRA strategy. Step 2. Know the contribution limits. The IRS sets annual contribution limits. In 2025, you can contribute $7,000 per year if you're under 50, and $8,000 if you're 50 or older, thanks to catch-up contributions. That may not sound like a lot, but remember, the magic of a Roth IRA isn't how much you put in, it's how much it grows tax-free over time. Step 3. Opening a Roth IRA. Opening a Roth IRA is easier than most people think. You don't need a financial advisor or a special invitation. You can open one online at Vanguard, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, or even investing apps like M1 Finance. The process takes about 15 minutes. You'll provide some personal information, link your bank account, and choose your investments. Step 4. Choosing investments inside your Roth IRA. Here's something people often misunderstand. A Roth IRA is not an investment by itself, it's an account. What you put inside is up to you. Options include index funds, like the S&P 500, target date retirement funds, individual stocks, bonds, ETFs. For most people, simple index funds or target date funds are the smartest choice. They're low cost, diversified, and grow steadily over time. Example, if you invest $7,000 per year in an S&P 500 index fund from age 25 to 65, At 8% average returns, you'll have over $1.7 million, all tax-free. Step 5. Maximize the tax-free growth. The Roth IRA is powerful because of compounding. The earlier you start, the better. Let's compare two people. John starts at 25, contributing $7,000 a year until age 35, then stops. Sarah starts at 35, contributing $7,000 a year until 65. At retirement, John has more money, even though he only contributed for 10 years, because his money had more time to compound tax-free. The lesson: start as early as possible. Step 6. Understand the withdrawal rules. The Roth IRA comes with specific withdrawal rules. Contributions, your original deposits, can be withdrawn anytime, penalty-free. Earnings, the growth, can only be withdrawn tax-free after age 59 and a half, and after you've had the account for at least 5 years. Withdraw early, and you could face taxes and penalties. But with discipline, this account becomes your golden ticket to tax-free retirement. Step 7. Use the Roth IRA for more than retirement. Here's a little-known secret. A Roth IRA can also be used for other goals. You can withdraw up to $10,000 of earnings penalty-free for your first home purchase. You can also use it for education expenses in certain cases. That flexibility makes it one of the most versatile accounts available. Step 8. The backdoor Roth strategy. What if you make too much to contribute directly? Enter the backdoor Roth IRA. Here's how it works. Contribute to a traditional IRA, non-deductible. Convert it into a Roth IRA. Pay taxes on any gains. It's 100% legal and allows high-income earners to still benefit from tax-free growth. Step 9. Avoid common mistakes. Many people make mistakes with Roth IRAs. Don't be one of them. Common errors: not investing the money, leaving it in cash. Withdrawing too early. Not contributing consistently. Paying high fees for bad investments. Remember, the Roth IRA is only as powerful as how you use it. Step 10. Building a wealth strategy around the Roth IRA. A Roth IRA is a cornerstone of wealth building. But it's not the only tool. Combine it with employer 401k matches, HSA contributions, taxable brokerage, investing, real estate income. Together, they create a well-rounded, diversified wealth plan. The freedom factor: here's what I want you to picture. It's 30 years from now. You're sitting on a beach, retired, and you check your Roth IRA. It's grown into hundreds of thousands, maybe millions. And when you withdraw, 0 taxes owed. That's the kind of freedom this account creates. Final thoughts. As you embark on this rewarding journey, visualize the day when you can finally reap the benefits of your diligent efforts. Each deposit is more than a transaction. It is a promise to yourself, a manifestation of your dreams unfolding with time. In moments of uncertainty, remember that real wealth is built on the bedrock of consistency and perseverance. Rather than focusing on quick results, cherish the gradual accumulation of your efforts, which will lead to a brighter, worry-free future. Investing in yourself is a powerful act, signaling to the universe that you are worthy of abundance. Each choice you make today is a step toward not only financial growth but also personal empowerment, allowing you to shape your destiny. As you continue to contribute to your Roth IRA and monitor its progress, let that serve as a reminder of your commitment to yourself and your future. You are the architect of your financial legacy. Each stone laid with thoughtful intention strengthens the foundation for generations to come. In this voyage, celebrate every milestone, no matter how small, and take pride in your determination to foster a prosperous future that liberates you from the chains of financial stress. The journey may not always be straightforward, but its rewards will far exceed your expectations, creating not just wealth, but a lasting peace of mind. Remember, as you navigate through the ups and downs of this expedition, it's essential to connect deeply with your goals. Visualize not merely numbers in an account, but the life experiences and opportunities they represent. Perhaps a dream vacation, the ability to support loved ones, or even a peaceful retirement by the beach. Each small victory, every contribution, adds to your story, crafting a narrative of perseverance and ambition. Stay steadfast in your commitment, for your future self will thank you for the patience and resolve you exhibit today. Embracing this journey is not just a financial decision, it is a profound commitment to living a life free from worry, where aspirations can flourish and dreams can be realized. Keep nurturing your legacy, and let the seeds you've planted blossom into a future abundant with possibility and fulfillment. If this video gave you clarity, subscribe to Smart Dollar Mindset. Our mission is to help you master money, avoid debt traps, and build wealth through smart investing. Together, We can rewrite the financial future, one smart habit at a time.